I'll share my screen. Okay, let me just please confirm you are able to see my screen.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Good evening, all. Let me introduce myself. Srinivas, and I'm having close to 8 years of experience as Java backend developer. I'm working in one of the MNCs, one of the reputed MNC as a software developer kind of thing. See, that is about myself, and let me start this section. See, basically, why this session is happening? I want to become a Java developer. That is our goal here. I want to become a Java developer, right? Everybody agrees on that. I want to become a Java developer. Meaning is, we are crossing your profiles by keeping the 2 years or 3 years as experience, gap as experience. As I'm a BTech student, I am a background of MBA, BCom, stuff like that. Meaning is, we are showing a gap as 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, like that, maximum 4 plus we are showing. See, basically, we are showing a gap as experience means we need to learn something, right? We need to learn technical. See here, why I am concentrating here? Technical plus communication plus email plus Google search plus requirement understanding plus fixing the bugs, fixing the issues, you can say, or bugs plus attending the meeting. This is it is part under count this communication. Okay. This see here. Now you need to learn these skills. Suppose you are clear on my point. Suppose, sir, I am showing 1 year as experience. Okay. You need to learn technical skills regarding Java technical skills. Apart from that, see here, you are good enough with the technical. You are not able to communicate means it is a very useless. Why? Because you people need to concentrate technical skills as well as communication, attending the meetings, etc. etc. Meaning is once you join the company, once you join in the company, right? You are getting my point, right? See, this is the main thing you want to think here. You can understand. Second thing is email writing skills. This is the part of communication we want to discuss here. Writing an email communication in a good, good format and good understandable. Next one is why I'm concentrating about Google search. Meaning is you need to know Google search as well. Suppose I don't know anything. I have a requirement. Meaning is my TL, my technical lead, TL means technical lead, ask me to develop some functionality. You don't know anything about that functionality. In that case, what you will do? Simply we can open the Google. Suppose I have one thing here. Suppose I need to send a mail. Okay, how to send a mail? Send a mail by using Java. See here, you can type like this and refer 2 or 3 things. You need to understand. See here, what things they are using? Java Mail API, Java Activation Framework, or your SMTP server details. See, we will see some code, right? Meaning is once you see some code in the Google, you need to suppose you need to get, don't copy paste as it is. No, you will get you will get they will, your TL easy knows this guy is copying from the Google. Not like that. Meaning is you will understand the what is the existing code. Suppose here my thing is here. Okay, I want to requirement is just sample example here. This is the one instance. That's example. Why I'm saying that Google search is important means Google search. Why Google search is important means I'm asking for in a Google search because I have verified, you know, I searched it for something like how to send an email, right? How to send an email by using Java program. In that case, what I will do, 1 minute, yeah, 1 minute. Hello. Yeah, sorry guys. Okay, everybody is getting my point, right? What I'm saying here. Please respond here. It is a more interactive session. See, if I verify in the Google said something like email writing, how to send, say here, how to send email to user in Java. Everybody clear, right? Suppose what your requirement is, you need to send one email to multiple people. Here, now what it is saying in the Google, it is saying that only one recipient and one sender. Suppose your TL is asking for, I want to send one email to 1 million user customers. Let's say 2 people, 3 people like that. In that case, how you can read, meaning is how your sender email ID, like that we need to understand, right? You are getting my point? Hello? Come on here, please respond here.
Yes.
Right? See, basically, you need to learn something. That something is nothing but you are showing 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years as a gap as experience. You need to learn all these things. You need to learn all these things to survive in the job, right? To survive in the job. More not only technical skills. Yeah, some people are good at technical skills and but poor in communication. Meaning is you want to have a same knowledge, whatever the thing. Suppose I am at 80% at technical. But I don't know the communication. Why? Because in the software development, any of the company, maybe it will be, you know, a very what I can say, very startup company or very level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 5 or MNC. But it's a very these are the two mandatory skills. Any people who is getting the job, it is a very important. You need to learn these things. Basically, see, people are asking all about. I am technical. I'm at good at technical, but I don't have any communication thing here. Concentrate here. Communication means you don't want to speak at high-fi English, right? You need to communicate with your team members or with your team lead. Suppose you have implemented certain functionality. Let's say simple example. Let's say it is one example. How to send an email to one user. Let's say you want to if your TL is or you will anything in the team member, like if anybody asks you, suppose can you explain this code? Yeah, you are in the position, you are able to understand this code, existing code, you are able to explain them in a clear-cut manner, each line by line. That is the main thing here. You want to understand for that, what skills are required? Consultancy, technical skills, and the communication skills. That's why we have communicated. We have separated this one as a technical and communication. Everybody is clear on that point. We're getting my point, right? Right.
Yes,
Next
yes,
one
sir.
is email writing. Suppose your TL is asked, can you send me the status report, what you have done today, right? In that case, you need to write an email, right? In a clear-cut manner saying that. So, hi, something like, suppose, hi Suresh, let's say, hi Suresh or something, who is, let's say, my name is, hi Srinivas, changing the keyboard, hi Srinivas, okay, hi Srinivas, is the, let's say, subject is something like that, subject, okay, status, work status, something that is as well as work status report, something like what is the today date? Let's say like 08 February and 2022. Okay, like that. Okay, hi. I have completed so and so things. I have, or your basic communication skills. I have completed so and so things, and this is the remaining part in this task. I will complete. That's it. Thanks. This is simple email communication skills. See here, what I am trying to say. First one is a technical. See, first one is Google search knowledge. Second one is email writing skills. Sorry. Second one is once you search in the Google, then what you need to send? You need to send technical skills to analyze that and requirement. Then mail sending. Finally, in the same. See, email Google search, that is fine. Requirement understanding, that I will cover. Fixing the bugs, that I will discuss later point of view. And here, attending the meeting. Suppose we are in the team member. Let's say I am in the team member. Okay. Let's say I am a team member, right? I am a team member. In the same thing, I want to explain to my team. What I will do? I will say, okay, this is the class I have written. Send an email. In that class, I have written one method saying that what is my email host number, email recipient, sender, and I'm reading the properties from the mail. What is the mail host? Something like that. You need to explain in a confident manner, saying that in front of anyone. That is the third confident you have. Clear my point? Oh, see, this is the sir. If you are clear at all these points, if you are clear at all these points, you need to survive your job, irrespective of your degree. I don't want degrees. Basically, you need to understand these things. Basically, you are a BCom or BSc, whatever it is, I don't matter. But thing is here, you have a good at these things. Technical skills means you need to learn. I will learn you. I'll able to, I'll first train you. It's a Java completely. I cannot say real time. Yeah, I don't want to bluff you people. Why? Because if I say real time, but people are getting, sir, you told me sending the email, and these guys are asking me sending the email for 1 million users. That is not requirement. I can say not real time training, just gets hands-on training, not real time. Why I am not saying real time? Meaning is Java is a huge thing. It can be used across the globe for multiple projects. Maybe once you suppose one guy, let's say we are crossing so many guys this month, like let's say not so many, like we are 4 people. Let's say Suresh is the one guy. Okay, we have planned as a 2 years experience, right? In that case, what happened? Suppose we got a job in the Capgemini, we have processed. We have onboarded to one, let's say insurance client. Let's say insurance. See, basically, if I say, suppose if I say, sir, you told me this is the real time project. No, training hands-on. Suppose in the insurance project, in the insurance client, the Java can be used in different format. Tools and all the things can be different format. And what is the another guy? Let's say Nagaraju. Let's say he has three plus experience guy. 3+ experience guy. 3+ experience. We have placed in Cognizant, CTS. We have onboarded to on IoT project. That's IoT project. And in this project, let's say Java, these have project specific details, right? Project specific tools and technologies. But Java is common. Meaning Java is common. You are getting my point, right? See, if I say real-time training means you people get confused. If I learn X, then if once I get into the company, I can work on X. No, not like that. If I tell AB, if I tell AB, you need to work on B, C, D, like A to Z. You need to extend your knowledge for insurance, IoT, and banking, and different things. So here in this thing, my responsibility is to technical gap between you and experience, right? Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus experience. Technical skills I want to learn. Basically, it is the part of me. Like meaning is this is don't want to. It is in my hands. Is in my hands. Meaning is I want to try you. See, remaining communication here. See, communication skills. Come on, tell me, who is taking care of these communication skills? You people need to learn these communication skills on your own. Meaning is, sir, nowadays people are not, because of this COVID pandemic, people are not going outside. You need to learn on your own. YouTube things or anything. I don't mind. I'm learning from YouTube, I'm learning from some PDFs, I'm learning for institute, nothing else. But you need to express something in front of your manager, client or anything. Next, email writing skills also you need to learn. Then Google search I need to learn. It is in my hands. Okay, it is in my hands. It is in my hands. It is in my hands. Then requirement understanding also, you need to understand this. Why? Because already verify in the Google, like requirement understanding, you need to have your own hands. Next, fixing the issues and bugs. I'll tell you small tips how to do that by using this Eclipse. Yeah, by using these things like Eclipse in your project, you are using Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA, you're using IntelliJ IDEA like that. We need to, these are two possibilities, these are both ways, like hand in hand. If people need to learn, I also help these things to going forward. Okay, come on, yeah. Any doubt up to here? Any doubt? People are having still mind, right, sir? I'm very, I'm very afraid of if I show 2 years as a gap and experience, 3 years as a gap and experience. Meaning is, these are the things you want to learn. Basically, you want to survive any of the company, not only MNCs. You want to survive in the CMM level 2, 3 or 3, anything. You want to survive. This is the main thing you need to do. Come on. Any doubt? Rajesh, Manasa, Naveen, Pavan, Chinnara, Swapna, Vanuja, Vijendra. Any doubt? Come on here. I don't want to, don't want to keep silence. Just speak up something. Why? Because it is not one-sided session. You need to respond. If you have any doubt, get it clarified itself so that every people will get to know what are the things are available. You got my point? Right? See, these are the things you want to do. Suppose technical skills. We'll concentrate on these things. Everybody clear, right? Up to this?
Sir, if you
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Who is that guy?
Sir, Karthik sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if we have a
Who is this?
offline,
Anna,
sir,
once again explain, Anna. Who is this guy? Rajesh, you don't know how to get anything. Okay, I'll explain. Okay. Who is that Chinnara?
Yeah, sir.
No. Someone is
Yeah.
asking the doubt, right? Who is that guy?
yes, sir, Karthik sir.
Yeah, Karthik, tell me.
Sir, if we have a offline, how can I Google it, sir?
Offline. No. See, people
Sir,
are.
how can I Google it? The concept.
No, wait. Offline means you don't perceive. That's why. Most of the time, okay, very good question, yeah. Very good question, Karthik. See, okay. Once your process has profile to, once you are onboarded to particular company, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
need to work with the BSFI domain. BSFI. What is this? What is this thing, sir? Yeah, simple here. Go to this banking financial services, basically. See, it is in business wise in the software terminologies they're using. What is the BSFI means? It is a BSFI means abbreviation. Banking financial insurance. That's the, okay, 1 minute. Software. See the things. Meaning is you need to work with. Yeah, see, banking, financial services, and insurance is the industry umbrella companies that provides a range of such financial product services. See, in this case, sir, which one is the most secure client? Once you onboarded to any of the clients, which one is the very onboarded client? See, we are not doing on banking. Why? Because most of the people, why? Because there is some restrictions. I don't want to explain in front of this recording session. But we don't want to crossing in the banking clients. Sir, how can you ensure? How can you ensure, Karthik? Let's say Suresh got placed in the 2+ years experience with the help of 2+ years experience in the Capgemini. Okay, once he onboarded to Capgemini, there is a client round. There is a client round. Suppose there is a one bank for the HSBC. Suppose HSBC is the one bank. In that case, you don't want to Google. Here is the restriction. Here is the restriction. If you are working with the only banking clients, you don't want to Google it. Karthik, your doubt is clear? We are not processing your
Sir,
profile for this client. That's why we are concentrating on financial services and insurances. Getting my point?
yes, sir.
Right? Now, financial services and insurance, there is a no restriction, such type of restriction. You don't want to Google it. Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Right? That is the main thing here. You people will understand. Why? Because it is completely our choice once you are onboarded to the company, right? Suppose in that client round, you can ask himself, it is a banking client or financial client. If financial client, if it is a financial service client, then only we can do that client round. If it is a banking client, just simply saying that we can exclude. I'm not interested, something like that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, yeah, Akhil, you have any doubt? Pawan? No, Pawan, please respond. You are able to. Okay, one guy sent some message. Rajesh, once again explain. Okay. See what things you don't want to understand here. It is very, no, I can explain everything. What things you are made difficult here? Can you tell me? Rajesh.
Sir,
Yeah, what things you are not able to understand here? You message in the thing that you ping me like, please explain. Please
Google search,
explain.
sir.
Okay. Okay. See, Google search means here, just this is the one flavor. It is not completed. It is not completed. Keep in that mind. Why? Because just an example I'm saying. Just an example I'm saying. Clear my point here?
Okay, sir.
For Citibank client. Manasa? Hello?
Hello, yes, sir.
Yeah, Manasa. You mentioned here Citibank client in the sense what is that? Yeah, Citibank client, there is a Google search, no issue. No issues. Only I believe like there is something like HSBC. Some people, HSBC or more banks have the restriction. Okay. Citibank, there is no issue. No issues for Citibank. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay. Now, next thing is okay. See, Rajesh, this is the sample thing only. I don't want depth in, I don't want to go in depth on that. Why? Because I need to concentrate first technical. Then I will go for Google search. I need to concentrate on first technical skills. See, okay, I'll go in detail about what the things. Sir, being a okay, here is simple. If you go to Google here, just go to the not Google, Naukri. See what is the portal we generally search with the Google. What is the portal here? Naukri portal, right? Naukri. Naukri Java developer jobs. Let's say search for Java developer jobs. See here. Okay, just go to the Google here and typing here. See. What is that? Can you read that one? Hiring for Java full stack developer. Okay, very good. Yeah. See, here the thing is, see here, Java, Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, Docker, microservices, SQL is the backend. See, basically, what we need to do is, yeah, these are the technologies you want to learn. That is a technical part. What is this company here? This is for, what is that company? Okay, 1 minute. It's a technical architect position. Okay, no problem here. We will go for second basically. Yeah, see, it is the backend developer. Yeah, see here, Core Java 8, multi-threading, Spring Boot, web services like security, load balancing, high availability, Oracle DB. They are expecting for any graduate. See, any postgraduate. See, some people are you might get a no chance of sir I am a UC. No issues. PG, any easy. Degree also UC, right? Under I believe PG. Okay. Any graduate, any postgraduate is mandatory. It is a company name is Hexaway Technology. See, we are crossing your profile as a Java backend development. So what do you mean by that? If you see these two things, right? Hiring for Java full stack developer, it is a Hexaway. Hiring for Java backend developer. You are clear on that point? Meaning is, whoever crossing your profile in my organization, my company, we need to concentrate about Java backend developer. Java backend developer. What do you mean by that backend developer? Meaning is, Java full stack developer means full stack developer. Full stack developer means equal to Java backend developer plus UI. Okay, this is the thing. Java full stack developer. I don't want to confuse you people. You are removing this UI part and simply this is the full stack development. Now we are taking as a Java backend development. We're developing Java backend development, right? See, concentrate on this. Clear my point here? Any doubt? Java backend development, we are showing gap as, let's say, 1 plus and 2 plus and 3 plus years as a experience with the Java backend development only. Up to here, any doubt here? Up to here, any doubt? Hello? Come on here. Then some logical skills plus learning new technologies skills. These are required. Okay, these are the etc. Skills is required to get into new technologies. Okay, clear my point here. See, Java backend development, what it includes basically. Yeah, let me do that. Java training, microprojects. There is some technical on. Java training updated. Yeah, see here. Okay. See, Java backend developer, we have completed, we have Agile Scrum methodologies. We concentrate on this. Jira onboarding tools, that is a different one. Okay, now, see, Java backend developer, I want to become a Java backend developer. What are the minimum skills you need to require? See, from the line number 20 to 52, these are the skills. These are the skills you need to see, to complete this session, to complete this all the skills. See here, I am saying that again, I need to provide, I am able to provide the only training now 30%. See, 30%. Why? Because if I say I can provide 100% means people are getting, sir, you are not telling this requirement, that requirement. See, learning subject is one thing. You need to apply that subject on the particular requirement. That is also different. See, from the line number 20 to 52, it's completely, you want to, these are the complete pure technical skills. Pure technical skills. Yeah, these are the pure technical skills. Not to require 1 plus 2 plus or 3 plus as a showing the gap as experience. Right? Now, we will go one by one. Java 8 knowledge is required. People are asking Java 8 nowadays. Good to have Java 8 and above versions. Then JW, I'll discuss what is the JW and all. Here is something, right? Java mail API. See, just we have one requirement, right? Just now we have one requirement how to write a mail, right? How to set a mail. Just it is a part of JW. Suppose you have JW means you need to have a Java SC as well. Now, next one is Spring Boot. Yeah. Okay. See here, concentrate here. Meaning is JW, because of on the top of Java SC, you need to learn JW. Test Spring. See here, if you search in the nobody jobs as well. See, that is the backend developer. See, the backend developer. See, core Java, multi-threading. It includes in the core Java. Then Spring Boot. Yeah, it's already we have covered this part, right? It's that. Yeah, Spring Boot or Spring. Okay. Then tell me. Then web services. Already we have written the web services. See, Hibernate, Spring Boot, JPA, JPA with Hibernate, microservices or RESTful web services. Yeah. Okay. And REST API, XML data representation of data, and Spring security. Some people are asking Spring security. How you can provide the security to your applications. Okay. Postman, these are the tools. Java application integration to the Swagger API and management tools like that. Integration with the Java SC2 framework. Okay. Now working with the Java SC APIs. Now these are the things you need to understand. Clear, right? If you are good at, like if you are strong enough technical communication skills, if any your TL asks anything, you need to you can tell that I am a Java backend developer. See these are the things. It is 4 to 6 years experience, right? Now web services and Oracle DB. Yeah. Sir, where I can see the Oracle DB? See here at the last Java training updated. See at the last. See there is a something. Okay. Yeah. See, we need to learn SQL knowledge and no SQL knowledge. People are learning no SQL something. The SQL means in every day-to-day life, we need to have certain SQL things. SQL things means what I can say. It's a Oracle DB, not only any kind of thing. It can be anything. And it is good to have cloud exposure. We will discuss that one. We'll discuss that one later point. Clear my point? Come on, yeah. Any doubt on this? Why we are? What is the technologies I need to learn, and what is the things I want to learn here? All these are clear, right? This is the completely 80-hour sessions. Like Java developer means, see, for only few technical skills here, 80 hours. That is your wish. How we can plan? Maybe what our current plan is per week. Let's say per week, each day 1.30 hours plus weekends 2 hours. Everybody has any concern on this plan? Like per week means 5 days from Monday to here is Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. And here is Saturday and Sunday. Things here. Why? Because in the weekdays means 5 hours, 7.5 sessions, right? 7.5 hours. Right? The weekdays 2 hours means 4 hours. How many hours in a per week? Come on, tell me. How many hours in a per week?
11.5.
11.5 hours. 11.5 hours means we will complete how many weeks here? If you start training the start, maybe we will cover 8 sessions, right? 8 weeks. That weeks means, right? Maybe more or less 8 weeks. 8 weeks of time, right? It requires 2 months of time. So we will go with any another plan. Any other plan? Any suggestions on that? Hello, come on here. Come on. It is a more interactive session. Don't keep silence. Come on, speak out. Any alternative plan? Or it is enough? Or we can reduce here 1 hour. It is good. It will weeks will be increased, right? Okay. We will analyze tomorrow here. I'll come up with the best plan. How we can find up as soon as possible. See things here. Yes. Concentrate here. See what you need. I will provide all these technical skills and all, but that is from me to you, right? And what are the skills and what are the requirements? What are the things? What are the some efforts you need to give to me? What are the things? Yeah. Meaning is when I say anything you want to practice means you will practice mandatorily without fail. That is you want to become a Java developer. You want to become a Java developer. You want to go into any of the company, right? You need to don't skip, I cannot say examples, don't skip my requirements. Why? Because If you skip the requirement here, the same requirement will come in the once you join the company. It is a very high tech. Right, Deepika? Don't skip my requirement. If I say requirement, suppose I want to say, I'll today, let's say I will please install a JDK. That's the basic steps anyone can do. But you have to explore certain packages, right? We'll discuss that one later on. Clear my point, please? Right? Don't skip my requirement. You need to complete with my requirements 100%. I'm sure of that. Second thing is, if you stuck in between doing my during my requirement, you can directly ask in the session itself. It will get recorded and get YouTube there. So basically, we have one, right? We have a one YouTube session is there daily. What is that? Yeah, social media also. What is that? Yeah, we have one Java training and placements. Java training and placements. Okay, one thing. Java. Okay, I'll share the link that I'm not able to get to this. Okay. No issues. I'm not getting that link. Okay, once I get it, so how to do that? Basically, we have a thing, but we will get all the will be uploaded to YouTube as well. You can say there, and the recordings will be shared with your mails. Okay. Now, there is one email ID. Everybody send all the emails to me, right? There is one email there. Java documents, Java training and placements. Java training. There is one more mail. Java training. Yeah, it's the thing. Yeah, for this I believe there is no to this. Java training 4488@gmail.com. Yeah, few people are Swapna has sent. Okay, we take. And okay, this is testament part. Okay, please keep sending the emails of remaining people also, so that everybody will get it. Yeah.
We also send Akhil.
What is your name?
Akhil.
Can you tell me your email ID? Akhil. AKHIL. Akhil.
Kumar.
More. Okay.
74300.
74300. Yeah, got it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, we will receive. But whoever is not missing, like people are not tech to side, just something here. Create a channel, studio. Someone can help me how to do that. How to go your channel. Create a channel, no, not like that. Okay, I will do that. Yeah, no problem. I will share with you. Like already few meals. I think okay, no issues. We'll do that. YouTube that is not required now. Okay, clear up to here. This is the just demo kind of session. We will start actual session because this is all repeated session only, right? Right. Yesterday we have repeated all of these. Clear my point here. Everybody, any doubt here? Karthik, Rajesh.
Clear, sir.
No, clear, right? What things you need to learn and what are the things you need to learn? All everybody, Pawan, Naveen.
Yes,
Naveen,
sir.
clear? Pawan, right? Chinaram,
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
clear. Swapna, Vanaja,
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Vijendra, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Very Sai,
Sir?
Sai, very Sai.
Today he will not join me tomorrow.
Okay, sure. See, yeah, basically, you need to speak confidently here. Why? Because take this one as your pre-meeting. In front of team, how we can represent your communication skills. Why? Because you need to improve your communication skills. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Okay. We're getting my point, all of you. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Come on. Yeah.
Sir.
Okay. Please respond here. Okay. Bye. Take care. Signing off. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Any doubts?
Sir, one small doubt for me. Okay.
Akhil.
Yes.
Yeah.
In
Akhil.
Java tool and Spring Boot tool is same or different, sir?
No.
Java.
No. Okay, I'll discuss. Okay, that is a next session doubt. Meaning is technical. You are speaking about technical skills, right? Suppose see here
Okay.
the learning path here is like what I said. Learning route map is okay. I'll show you how to learn the things. But here, as you asked, that learning path is first you need to learn Java 8. Okay, then JWE, then Spring, then Spring Boot, then microservices. Clear my point here? Then
Yes.
cloud technology. Clear? So directly, I'm very new to Java. Directly, can I jump into no Spring Boot? No. Before that, what is the things here? Right?
No. Yes.
Okay, this is the learning part. We will cover in the tomorrow session. Don't worry on that.
Okay.
Clear? Anybody have any doubts?
Sir, Oracle is used for only backend process.
Right. Oracle is a data, it is a developer. Like Oracle is a kind of data storage. What I can say, it's a data store in a table format. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
There is a two things here. So basically, if you go to here, there are two kind of data. What is the two kind of data? SQL versus no SQL. See, you need to understand here. What is the SQL and what is the no SQL? See. People are asking two types here. SQL means structured query language, no SQL. If you see here SQL, what is the things here? These are the things. It is structured query language, standard database language when we use, right? It may be MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, all these things. But NoSQL is a different one. People are nowadays it is very important, right? See, NoSQL. NoSQL means if you heard about MongoDB, right? MongoDB, some kind of see. Okay, there is a NoSQL databases. Yeah, see. These are the things. Suppose if you get into company, you want to document database. This is the Redis C. Okay, key value databases. Cassandra. Right? We will discuss all these things here. No problem. Document database means you MongoDB, Couchbase, and why I'm searching in front of you people means you will get the same habitude. So if anybody ask anything, right? See, right? People Google search is anyone in the Milpet or anything, they will not tell you. Am I clear?
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Because that is a sensitive. Why? Because if you search the Google search, you are exposing everything in the software development, right? Internet of people. Why? Because you are my students. That's why I'm exposing, how to search the Google and all, right? See here. They're simply NoSQL database are simplified. These are the things. Amazon DynamoDB. Okay, NoSQL database. Oracle 11g, that is a different key value base. Redis cache. Suppose some people ask, what is the Redis cache? Yeah, I know it. It is a kind of database. You can see, you can answer it dynamically. Software thing is, you can let dynamically answer it. See here, software, this is one slogan is that. See, I don't know anything about Spring Boot. If a requirement come, let's say I'm example. Do your work, do your requirement, do your work. That's it. Company don't care about how you are doing. You know that thing, this thing like that. You got my point, right?
Yes,
Do your
sir.
work. That is the software slogan. We will discuss slowly. Yeah? That is a discuss slowly. Okay, clear everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Right? This take this one as a starting session along with the demo session. See, whoever is not attending the previous session, this is the demo session only, and session 1 as well. Okay,
Okay, sir.
clear? What you need to learn and what is the how can you handle. See, these are the skills you require. It's a mandatory. There is a things. These are the things we need to concentrate. Sir, I am very poor at communication. Just try to improve your communication skills and your email writing skills, attending the meetings and email, Google search. Google search I will take care, like how to do that Google search. Clear, everybody? Okay, yeah, signing off.
Yes.
Bye. Thank you. We'll meet
Sir,
tomorrow.
bye. Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.